Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Boxycharm. It came early. Well, for me, this is early because it said it was going to be here this weekend. It got here sooner. I have not opened this in any shape or form, and we are opening it right now. And you know I have to knock something over. I have not peeked. The only thing I know that's in here is the one that we got to choose, and that was the bomb. Wait, yeah, it was a bomb. So let's open it up. Guys, it doesn't even have the little foamy piece in it. Wow. Okay. Let's see something by Tarte. Okay, cool. What variation did I get? 39? They have that many different variations? Well, I guess since you get to choose... Like you get to choose an item now, they have to have so many variations, but this is variation 39. This is called After Dark. So I'm just going to, and the card is different. It's now a little flip-up card. Okay. This is the one I knew. This is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy. Let's see. Yeah. Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. This retails for $32. Look at that hollow packaging. And guys, I have moved my camera set up. Hoping that's better. A lot of people were saying they were getting like too much up here, empty space up here, not enough of me. Let me know if this angle is a little bit better. I moved it just a hair just to see if that's helped you guys. Look at that packaging. So let me know if you like this camera angle better. I still have this booger that I've not even opened yet. This is a moisturizer. Well, it's a Waterful Glow Cream, so it's a moisturizer. This is a balm, so I'm not exactly sure. I'll need to read up some more on this because if it's a moisturizer, I'm just going to leave this one sealed for right now because I still have that one to use, and I'm almost done with my Elemis. So this was Boxycharm as well, and then I have that whole jar to go through, and I still have the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. I'm not even cracked open, and I just gave my hubby some face wash that came in Boxycharm that I've not cracked open. So Boxycharm is keeping me in my skincare. Most definitely. What is this? I got a beauty sponge. That's okay. You know I like my $1.55 Shop Miss A beauty sponges. What is this? Illuminati Cosmetic Sponge, edgeless, reusable, high-definition cosmetic sponge applicator. This retails for $21. So that's around the same price point as a beauty blender. I don't have any water out here, but... it feels like it would be comparable to a beauty blender. Now, yes, I've touched this. I shouldn't have touched it maybe, but I wanted to see the density. I might save this for a giveaway. I don't know yet. I have a lot of sponges that are already in rotation. I have a lot of them because I get the $1.55 Shop Miss A ones. So this one might go in a giveaway. Yes, I did touch it, but I always wash my sponges before I use them. I recommend that to everyone because sometimes some of the dye does come out when you wash them. So always wash your sponges before you use them. So just a hint. What is next? Yes, guys, I have been at work all day. I just got home. My hubby checked the mailboxes. There was mail. So I was like, ooh, we got mail. I got to go film. Sorry, bye. So this is the iconic lip gloss, and this is the lip plumping gloss in Nearly Nude. This is very pretty. I will definitely use this. Lip plumping glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power, and I heard these don't plump, but we'll see. The Ultra Shine infused with a biomimetic peptide. Is that correct? I don't know. Which helps support natural collagen production in a more defined, voluptuous looking lips. This retails for $26, guys. $26. And if you're wondering what I have on my lips, it's a mix of MAC What were you, Mac? Look, it just leaves a beautiful stain. This is Dionysus, and we got this in one of our boxes. And then I just went over it with kind of a balm and just made a stain out of it. And as you can see, yes, it did its job. So, very minty, and the mint, and it's more like a menthol. Well, it is actually a menthol. Oh, that feels great. That's what gives you the tingly feeling on your lips. I really like this applicator. It's definitely different. I really like that applicator. It's not, it's a little sticky, but not like sticky. It's very comfortable. Got a good slip. I like it. I do. I like it. Okay. Tarte's Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. Okay. So this might be something I put in another giveaway. So I'm not going to open it at the present moment, but that's the size of it. It is, does it tell me how much? Probably does on the box. 15.9 grams or 0.56 ounces. I'm going to put it back in the box because this might go in a giveaway. Guys, I have like a whole bottle of Jeffree Star highlighter here. I have several liquid highlighters in the drawer, and I don't really use them a whole lot. So this is Glow Like a Goddess with a creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense, ultra concentrated pigments and pearls, blah, blah, blah. Hydro Gel Cream, oil-free, mixed with your liquid foundation or wear alone. It retails for $29. So I'm going to put that with the sponge, because I may do another giveaway. Who knows? Or my next giveaway. So here is the palette. Everybody knew they were getting a... Yes, it's one I wanted. There were a few that I was like, please let me get one of those. Please let me get one of those. And I did get the Marvelous Mauves. If you've been with me a long time, you know I love berries. I love purples. And this is the mauves. So I was very happy. Look at that gorgeous packaging. Oh my gosh. The Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, 5-pan matte shadow palette, mixture of shades. Great way to add boldness to your vibrant eye looks. $32. Okay, so yes, this box is way over $100 retail. That is so pretty. I want to take the little flippy flip thing out. It even comes with a little brush. What do I have on my eyes today? Look at this teeny tiny, little teeny tiny. I'm not going to mess that up yet. I'm not even going to dip into that yet. But look how pretty. Oh, can't wait to use that. All right, so there is the Marvelous Mauves. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. So super happy with this box overall. The lip gloss, yes. The palette, yes. The face balm, yes. The sponge and the highlighter will go in a future giveaway. So I'm going to go ahead and toss that back there. So overall, not my favorite box, but still very happy with 3 out of the 5 items that I got. So no, no letdown. I mean, we're paying $21. This is the last month that we're paying, what, $21 for the box. Next month it goes to $25, but we are guaranteed a higher price box. So for $4 more, that doesn't hurt my feelings any. I mean, we're paying $4 more and we're getting, you know, like a better value. So not bad at all this month. They can't all be like mind-blowing. I mean, seriously, they can't. Let me know what you guys thought about your box if you got Boxycharm. And if you'd like to sign up for Boxycharm and you've not done it already, I will leave a link down below. It doesn't do anything other than, I believe it gets you a free gift and gets me a free gift for signing up with my link. That's all it does, is it gives us each like our little free product. So I'll leave that down below with all my other social medias. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.